Hey, what's going on, everyone? I wanted to put together a quick video on the baked beans miner game on how to deposit and how to compound. Okay, so the baked beans project is a high risk, high reward project on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, you're going to need to get some BNB in order to get started in this particular project. Okay, you're going to need MetaMask wallet and you're going to be on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so first thing you need to do, like I said, you need the MetaMask wallet, so you're going to need to go to metamask.io, download MetaMask on your Chrome browser or whatever supported browser or system that you're on that applies to you. I am going to refer to the Chrome browser. You're going to install MetaMask Chrome for the Chrome extension rather. You're going to add it, okay, add the extension. And then once you have that added, you're going to come down, find the MetaMask logo, click the pin so it becomes active. Then you're going to need to click on the MetaMask in order to set up your MetaMask account. Okay, it's going to get to a point where it creates a seed phrase, 12 different unique security words. Number those on a piece of paper, or there's an alternative security mechanism or system. I'll put a link to that in the description below this video. Anyways, whatever you choose, store it safely. Okay, number 1 through 12, write those words, don't issue it out to anyone. Okay, once you have the MetaMask set up, now you're going to need to set up the Binance Smart Chain. You're going to come over to chainlist.org. okay, connect your MetaMask wallet that you just recently set up, and then you're going to go ahead and add the Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask. Okay, then you're going to need to purchase some BNB. Okay, you're just going to come to the MetaMask wallet, come down here, find the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, make sure on that particular blockchain, find the BNB coin or token, should I say. Go to buy, continue to transact, and then continue the purchasing process to get some BNB in your wallet. Make sure you leave about $5 or so in your MetaMask wallet. If you don't know how much $5 is in BNB, just come to coinmarketcap.com, type in BNB in the search engine. It'll bring up the BNB website here, or BNB token, $5. So you need to keep in 0.012 in your wallet. It would probably be a little less than that, but I like to keep a threshold of $5. Okay, once you've got that all set up, you can come back over to the Baked Beans website. If you would like to read the white paper, go to their website, cryptobakehouse.com. They've got their light paper here and their FAQs. I have another video that goes more in depth. I read pretty much the light paper and FAQ. This is more of a beginner, how to get started. Okay. Alright, so once you've got some BNB in your wallet, okay, you're going to come in here, type in the amount of BNB that you would like to deposit. Okay, I'm just doing a little small amount just to show you. Okay, and then you're just going to come here to bake your beans. This is how you deposit baked beans. Okay, basically you're depositing BNB and getting some beans in return. Okay. Alright, you're paying a little gas fee. Let's figure out how much that gas fee is real quick, just for your reference. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here to the CoinMarketCap. So it's about 25 cents. Okay, oops. I'm going to go ahead and confirm that transaction. Okay, as you can see, it is working. Okay. It is working. The number of beans should change. Okay. Okay. And it also deposited my baked beans rewards, my BNB that I had. So it actually reinvested the BNB that I had down here. It automatically put it back into my baked beans account, and it also created a new deposit as well. All right, just so you know that. All right, so now I have this many beans. Okay, So now what you're going to do is for the next 6 days, you're going to come back to this website, okay, and you're going to hit rebake, okay. You're going to come back 6 days in a row and rebake. Then on that 7th day, then you're going to eat your beans, okay. That's how you're going to consistently keep this daily ROI of 8%, okay. Make sure you're always checking the contract balance right here, okay. And that's how you get started in baked beans.